Okay, thanks for your interest in my Retirement Ready workshop. If you are approaching retirement and exploring options, you're not going to find a shortage of information out there. And yes, a lot of it's free, and you might even be able to hop onto a free webinar from some of the big service providers. That amount of information I'm learning is quite overwhelming. There's certain concepts which can be a little bit technical to grasp, and of course, some of the content is also sales focused, is trying to lead you down a specific route. Okay, so I've put together this workshop and it's a one-on-one workshop, which is really important and key, because it actually gives you an opportunity to engage with somebody who works in the field, has good experience and knowledge helping others in a similar position, but you get to ask questions. So you get to fill in the gaps that are important to you. Of course, I'm going to be giving you an overview of the entire process and the most important things to be paying attention to. But at any point in time, you get to engage, you get to ask questions, and it really is a great first step in terms of exploring what your options are from a completely neutral perspective and helping you answer the important questions that you have at this critical point in time.